Hola chicos, this is a tutorial for Screencastify on how to download and use it. First, go to Google Classroom and download the Screencastify extension. Once it's downloaded, you will see it and find it here on your screen next to the web browser. Once you have your slides or your PowerPoint presentation already created, then you're able to begin the process in using Screencastify. Once go into your slides or your PowerPoint, then hit the pink like arrow right here, which is your Screencastify arrow. Then you will have this screen pop up. Make sure that browser tab is highlighted and that your microphone is on. You would know that your microphone is on because as you're speaking, the colors will change from green all the way to red. That's just telling you on how loud you are speaking. Then when you're ready to talk on your slides, just press the record button and quickly hit the present and work your way through your slides. Once you are done recording, hit again that pink arrow and then you will have another small pop-up similar to this one and you will see a stop button. Then after you hit the stop button, it will lead you into a screen similar to this, and this is your Screencastify video. On this video, you have the option of listening to your recording, and if you're happy with your recording, you can copy the link and turn it into Google Classroom. If you're unhappy with your link, then you can delete it right here and start all over again your recording. If you have any further questions, just let me know.